Hi everyone, I'm here again. Good day. So please do not forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the like button so that the algorithm would favor me. Do not forget to share these videos. Now, in this video, I'll be showing you how to do keyword research using keyword gap. This is still a continuation of the competitors analysis that I had showed you guys earlier. But this one is a comprehensive analysis because you can add a lot of domain. You can see the highest I've done is 5. You are able to add up to 5 domains to check the keywords they are ranking for. Now, the whole essence of the keyword gap analysis is that the keyword gap analysis is a process that helps you identify keywords that your competitors are successfully targeting in their keyword strategy that you are not. That it shows you the winning keywords that is bringing your competitors traffic that you can also leverage on. Now, to be able to build a winning SEO strategy, it's important to identify the gaps so that you can close them. Now, the importance of a keyword gap tool or the keyword gap analysis is that it helps you uncover keyword opportunities that you are missing out on. It helps you optimize content with additional keywords. It also helps you to create new content ideas. It helps you to understand your audience's interests. There's every tendency that you just started a blog and you are still trying to test the waters. Now, instead of just testing the waters and going haywire, it is important that you look into what your competitors have been doing that has made them a power in your niche. This is a better way for you to be able to hit the target. So now let's get back to our keyword gap tool. The first thing to do is to input the domains of your competitors. Input as much as you can. Like I said earlier, I've done up to 5, so I don't know if you can go above that, but the highest I've done is for 5 competitors. Now, after you've imputed the domain names of all your competitors, the next thing to do is to click on the compare tab. Now, when you click on the compare tab, you are going to see something amazing. Now, you can see that Legit is ranking for over 820,000 keywords, while the other competitors, amomama.com, they are ranking for over 578,000 keywords. That was a mistake. It was as if I didn't go to school or I didn't go to college. Okay, yes. Now, this tool shows you the shared keywords, the missing keywords, the weak keywords, the strong keywords, the untapped keywords, and the unique keywords. Now, the missing keywords, let's assume that amomama.com is my domain. Now, the missing keywords indicates that the keywords that Legit is ranking for that we are not ranking for. The weak keywords indicate the keywords that both competitors are ranking for, but amomama is weak at. The strong keywords indicate the keywords that, okay, Legit is strong at, but amomama is not strong at. So let's just keep surfing and surfing. Okay, so let's click on the missing so that you would get a proper understanding of what I am talking about. This is a strategy I've repeatedly used that has generated me a lot of traffic. If it didn't work, I wouldn't be keen on talking to you about it. Now you can see that amomama ranks for these keywords, but Legit does not rank for them. That's what the missing tab is for. It indicates the keywords that your competitors or it indicates the keywords that Amo Mama is ranking for, but legit is missing. Probably legit can leverage on that. I don't know. I can't advise them. Yeah, so that is that about that. So let's check the week. Yeah, let's check for the week keywords. Let's see what this indicates. Let's see what this is going to show us about these two websites. Hello, it's me. Yeah, you can see that the week indicates it indicates the keywords that legit. Indicates the keyword that Amo Mama outranked legit in. Yeah, the week indicates the keywords that Amo Mama outranked legit in. You can see them. Yeah, so if you have to be a newbie, yeah, you can just export this and work on that. You get, but these websites, they are very, very big. You can see they are big websites. Legit has 820,000 keywords that they are ranking for. Why amomama.com has about 578,000 plus keywords that they are ranking. Yeah, you can see that the strong feature shows the keywords where legit outrank Amo Mama. Yeah, this too is just amazing. You can see that from on the screen. Now another thing to do is to export that. Yeah, you can see on the screen. Yeah. Now you can see we are navigating to the untapped keywords. Now the untapped keywords, what this does is that it shows you the keywords that Amo Mama is ranking for, but that legit is not ranking for. You can see, as you can see some of these keywords. You can see that their KDs are very high. So I wouldn't advise a newbie, or I wouldn't advise a website that is just starting out to target these keywords. But you can see that they have crazy search volume, but their KDs are high. They are very high. You can even see that SEMrush is showing red, which means danger. Don't go there. Now we are going to take a look at the unique keywords. Let's see what the unique keywords stand for. Okay, the unique keyword actually shows the keywords that legit is ranking for, but that Amo Mama is not ranking for, like the keywords legit targeted that Amo Mama did not. You can see. Yeah, so you can see how difficult these KDs are. If you target them, there's every tendency that you would struggle to rank, because even legit with all of its authority, you can see for the first keyword it is at position 14. Yep, you can see that legit is at position 14 for that keyword. You can edit your domains from that the root domain feature up there. You can choose to